Friends, once again I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is all about learning in Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to write a simple program using dictionary, because in my last video I explained about what is dictionary, how to make use of it, like how to define a dictionary and how to update it or how to access it. Let's get into the demo. I already created a file with dictionaries-ex.py, and what is my program is like I need to get the input from the user. For example, if the user type 1 2 3 4, I need to print the value like 1 2 3 4, like this it need to get printed. So what I will do is like I just comment this piece of code, and I just started to write the code. And what I'm doing is like I just need to get the input from the user, right? For that built-in input function, right? I'm just typing the phone number, and that's it. And to store it here, I need to get the variable over here, phone, that's it. And sorry, input. And what I have to do is like I need to have this value, right? Like if I type the 1 means it should type it to 1, and 2 means it should type 2. So actually it should be kind of key value pair, right? So I need to define a key value pair and naming as digits equal to key value pair. Syntax is dictionary, right? So braces, curly braces. Here I need to define like 0 means like this, 0, and 1 means like this, 1. Similarly 2 means 2. So we need to define for 0 to 9. And moreover, now what I have to do is like I need to iterate each of this value whichever I get it from the terminal. For that I need to use for loop for ch, because it is getting in string and use of character as a loop variable in phone. That's it. And what I have to do is like I need to store it in the some variable. So for that I need to define some variable. For that I need to define like output, make it as empty string. What I have to do is like I'm just add it over here, output equal to, and we need to append that value with the output, right? So output plus, and we have this digits, right, as a dictionary. And here there are two ways to check the value or to retrieve the value. One is like square bracket, but if you are using square bracket, if the key doesn't exist means it will throw an error. But to be a safer side, I don't want to throw error, I make use of get method. Get, I'm just passing the key. The key which we are passing is like the character ch. Suppose if the value is not there, I need to pass the default value. For that what I'm doing is like just pass the default value as exclamatory. That's it. And that's it. And what I'm doing is like I need to print that value, print of output. That's it. Let's see what is happening over here. I'm just running the code. They're asking the phone number. I'm just typing 6564. See 646, but it doesn't have any spaces over here. For that what I'm doing is like in the output plus just having the empty spaces. Now let's see, I'm running with 2564. That's it. See here 2564 is getting printed. Now for each of the value it is going with the dictionary to see the value with a key value pair, and I'm using get method instead of the square bracket because I don't want to get into error. If it is having the error, if it is having the value, it will give the value. Otherwise it will give it the default value. And moreover, instead of writing this code, I will be using augmented assignment operator. I'm just removing this one and adding it over here like this, writing this simple piece of code, and again executing it over here, just typing 963541 like this. See here everything is working fine. So in this example we have seen about how to define the dictionary and how to access the dictionary with the default values, and how to print it over here, and the for loop, and also like augmented assignment operator. So if you have any doubts on implementing this, just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.